What's that knocking noise in space? A pulsar. A pulsar is a highly magnetized, rapidly rotating neutron star, the collapsed core of a massive sun that exploded. The name is short for pulsating star, referring to the way it appears to pulse with light. As the star spins, it beams intense radiation from its magnetic poles. Because these beams aren't aligned with the star's rotation axis, they sweep across the universe like a lighthouse beam. Every time the beam sweeps past Earth, telescopes detect a sharp blip of energy. When these high-speed pulses are converted into audio, they produce a famous rhythmic knocking noise or a chirping sound. Some pulsar spins hundreds of times per second, creating a sound like a high-speed machine gun, while slower ones sound like a steady, eerie heartbeat in the void. And that's all for now. Until next time.